Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I am taking an update video of our 1988 BMW R100GS. This is going to be the final video in our restoration journey of this bike because the bike is complete. We finished it about 6 months ago and have been enjoying it on the weekends, riding it around town, riding it up the mountain passes, two up, and it's been an absolute blast. I wanted to give an update and say that the bike has officially been sold and the new owner is on his way. He should be here in a couple of minutes. And I thought, why not take a video for when I'm reminiscing about the bike a year from now and trying to remember all the work that we did. I also wanted to give a special shout out to my friend Ed for all of his help. Thank you, Ed, for making me buy all the OEM BMW parts on this bike. And it's amazing that the parts are still available for these incredible machines. I wanted to do a quick little recap of all the work that we did, starting from the front. If you recall, the tire didn't hold air very well. We polished up the rim, got rid of the corrosion, and now it holds air perfectly. We did new tires, front and rear. These, I believe, are the Dunlop Trail Max Mission tires. They're an awesome 50/50 tire, even though I haven't taken the bike off-road. The old fender was broken. We found a replacement fender on eBay. On the front end, we also rebuilt the front forks with new fluid, bled the brakes. We installed this tombstone sticker that's still available from Italy. We bought these hand guards that are new from BMW and still available. As you can see, we did a little bit of polish with some steel wool. We didn't go too crazy, but you can see that we have shined these up, and a little bit more polish will get them perfect. If you go back to the old videos of some of the work that we did, you'll recall that after doing the front end, we did the rocker arm torque down, we did the valve adjustment, replaced all the rubber bits, new throttle cables, new clutch cables, cleaned the petcocks, new strainers, new fuel lines. If you recall, we did the rear main seal on the bike, which was a really lengthy repair, as well as new oil, pressure switch, and neutral switch. We also went through and polished the exhaust. We found these racks on eBay from a seller in Germany and put these on. We put in an LED rear light for better visibility. Got the progressive shock on the rear, new swing arm boot, and new final drive boot that were both installed, well, vice versa. New speedometer cable. And what else? I'm sure there's something else that we're forgetting, but the bike runs absolutely amazingly. When we bought the bike, it leaked oil like crazy, and now it doesn't leak a single drop. And actually, as I'm taking this video, there is the new owner pulling up right now, about to load it up in the U-Haul. So thanks again, everyone, for tuning in, and we will catch you on the next bike.